Why does your scanner show the P2254 engine code? What does it mean? P2254 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor negative current control circuit / open bank to sensor 1. This engine code indicates an issue with the bank 2 sensor 1 O2 sensor's negative current control circuit are usually related to the oxygen sensor itself. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty O2 sensor. Wiring or connector issues. Open circuit. Exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Honda, and Land Cruiser. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.